Hello everyone, I'm Constable Zuliani from the Canine team. We're going to show you around our unit and give you some demonstrations of what we do. Part of our role is to utilize our police dogs to search buildings or enclosed areas for people that are hiding. As you can see, we're in an old abandoned building that we use for training purposes. And what we've done here is we've hidden one of our fellow canine handlers as the person hiding.
Police Canine, speak to me now, send the dog!
And upon locating that person, the dog's job is to bark at them and basically keep them in that place so that the person knows that there's a dog present, as well as the handler in case that dog is not within the handler's eye shot. So the next piece of training that we're going to do is tracking. And tracking is essentially the dog using his nose to track whatever scent the person that we're looking for has left on the ground from point A to point B. And in this exercise, what we'll do is we will send one of us again, like it was in the building search, to run away and hide somewhere. And Constable Zalme and his police dog ranger will be tracking and finding that person. We're currently at the agility field, and as you can see, there's various pieces of equipment here. And what this does is it basically trains the dog to be able to circumvent various obstacles that they may encounter on deployment. And this is just a controlled environment where we can train them to do that safely so that when they go on the road, it's not something they're experiencing for the first time. So this is the portion where we kind of show you the police car that we get issued. Being in Canine, we actually each have a vehicle issued to us. And the reason for that is because we need a special storage area or area that the dog can be safely housed while they're on shift. So looking in the cruiser, very similar to what you would see in a patrol cruiser. You have a terminal and keyboards, so we can monitor what events are going on and do any kind of research and things of that nature. This right here is our hot pop system. That's actually the system that monitors the temperature inside the car so that the dog can remain safe and the temperature can remain at a somewhat stable range, so it doesn't overheat or obviously get too cold for the animal. As you can imagine, we're not always in our vehicle, so we have that as a safety measure. This is the rear seat. Because we have a encased kennel that houses the police dog in it, we actually do not have any area in the back seat to transport anybody. So as you can see, there's no seat, and it's all mostly the metal cage where the dog is housed. Back here, we just get an extra drawer to house whatever equipment we need. So most of us have, dog treats and again, additional clothing that we might require, as well as additional police gear. So this is the kennel where the police dog stays for most of his working shift. As you can see, it's got a mat on the bottom, so there's a bit of an additional comfort. Obviously, all the holes that are there are to allow the temperature to remain constant throughout the vehicle. And he's got, obviously, access to water here. This is just additional storage where we can put our leashes and other gloves and other equipment that we need to deploy the animal for jobs that we are needed for. We hope you enjoyed this short tour. Let us know if you have any questions by replying or commenting on this video.